Thank you very much. Next speaker is International Organization for the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination. Please.
Thank you, Mr. President. We thank the Special Rapporteur for her report on trafficking in persons, especially women and children, and note the mention of forced labor in the context of trafficking as a massive widespread phenomenon. We also recognize that racism and xenophobia further exacerbates the plight of persons in trafficking and creates additional vulnerabilities, especially in armed conflict situations. In light of this, EFORD and Geneva International Center for Justice would like to draw the attention of the Special Rapporteur to the specific situation of trafficking in regions and areas of conflict where women, children, and men of specific ethnic groups are trafficked for sexual exploitation, sexual gifts, child soldiers, removal of organs, forced labor, and forced marriage. Often, the purposes are either to further exacerbate conflict by drawing in capital and by using the trafficked persons in labor, or to serve their perpetrators. In the report, concerns are raised on the issue of how conflict fuels trafficking in persons. However, it is also important to note the impact of various forms of discrimination and xenophobia in this situation. We would like to ask the Special Rapporteur if there are any significant trends or links regarding various forms of discrimination and xenophobia in conflict situations where trafficking of persons occurs. In conclusion, our organizations maintain that trafficking is a multifaceted issue, and trafficking prevention must begin with proper research into local conditions. Furthermore, states should review laws and administrative practices to eliminate discriminatory bias that adds barriers for trafficking victims who are women or racial minorities. I thank you.